Hello everyone, Michael Vandergrift, MCB Realty, coming to you today with the 3Rivers market report for February 28, 2024. We got a lot of activity in the market, buyer demand still there, house is still moving. I know I just got permission to share Gary Keller's state of the, I call it State of the Union address. It's his vision speech that he gave yesterday that he gives a whole presentation on the economy and housing, and showed the recession we had last year, and we should be just over last year. Last year kind of set the low bar for number of homes sold, but don't let that scare you. People still got to make moves all the time. And that's why I do this report every week, 8 a.m., even when I'm sick. I've had the flu, I've had COVID. Still at 8 a.m., I clock the market every week and give this info out to you to give transparency. If you want to go in further into this data, reach out to me. I'm a data freak. You know, I have BA in economics, so I love to do this. So this week, we have 367 active available homes for sale in Fort Wayne Poplar. Week over week, that's up 3% over last week. Year over year, it's up 38%. New listings came in down 15% week over week, down 11% year over year. Solds came in up 29% week over week, up 16% year over year. Pendings came in down 8% week over week, up 21% year over year. Median sale price came in at $241,500, showing appreciation of 12%. And I know the Case-Shiller index just came out for last year, and it showed nationwide 5.5% appreciation, even in a recession. So typically when you have a housing recession like we did last year, you would see depreciation on home values, but they actually went up 5.5%. Days on market slowed down just a hair to 33 average, 13 median, versus last year we were at 30 average, 7 median. Homes sold in the last 12 months came in at 4,241 versus last year there were 4,980. So we're showing down 14%, 14.8% year over year. We've got just over 1 month inventory, which is low. Typically, balanced inventory, we want 6 to 12 months of inventory, but we've had extremely low inventory for years now, so we've just kind of been dealing with it. It makes some difficulties, but there's always going to be something, you know, but we're here to help you get through that. So feel free to reach out to us if you need any help with anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.